Our team at Digital Reach recently did a survey on what our favorite HubSpot feature is, and it was really hard to narrow it down to just one thing. But honestly, the tool that makes my life easier on a day-to-day basis is the Chrome extension. So I don't have to be inside of HubSpot if I don't want to. When I'm sending emails and doing my follow-ups, I can do almost everything I need to do inside of my email. So I want to show you one thing that I think is super useful, and I'm not sure if everyone uses it. But let's say I'm sending a follow-up email here. I'm going to pop in a template that I have. So now that this template is here, maybe it's not part of a sequence or something like that. It's a one-off email. But one thing you can do is actually set your follow-up task before you send the email. So if I click here on tasks, I can do one of these canned ones, 1 business, 3, 5 business days, or I can do a custom follow-up task. And this will happen on sending. So I can set this up and not be worried yet. So maybe I'll follow up with a call. And I'll just keep this here for this example. So now you see this little dot here. That means it's set up. So once I hit send, that's going to create the task for me to follow up. Now, if I decide after I write this email that I actually want to change this, I can remove this and maybe I just want to do follow up in 3 business days. Anyway, I'll go ahead and send it and then we'll go check it out. So now I'm in the contact record for the person that I just sent that email to. As you can see in the activity history, there's the email I sent, and up here, there's that task that I set up while I was in Gmail. Really tough to pick my favorite HubSpot feature, but this is the one I use all the time, so come at me if you think I'm wrong.